Yo, so what's good? Welcome back to my channel. This is LK. This is a new week though, you know what that means, new opportunities in the market. So let's go, let's see what this week holds for us. That account, I'm up just 11% on that account, and you know my profit target on that account, targeting 20% upward. You get I want to make more than 20% on that account so that I will actually win a prize. I have this week and next week to do that. So either way, let us see how it goes. I'll update you guys. Yo, so what's good? So this is the trade that I executed, and it actually went to the full TP, but I've already opted out of the trade. I think I made just 1.7. Yeah, I made just 1.7k. Actually, I will not say I followed my plan. Well, I didn't follow my plan because my plan is just TP or stop loss. But at some point, I just got tired of the trade. You get around 7 something, and I was not supposed to be on this chart up to this point. My chart time was supposed to be just 2 to 4. Afternoon section, morning section 7 to 10. But I think I was here like trying to get clips for my videos, screen recording and stuff like that. I think I will just start screen recording anytime I'm on the chart. That was when I'm just allowed to screen record. If the trade is still moving and like my chart time has already expired, I'll just leave the chart, then probably come back the next trading session and just like go through the trades, you get, because staying on this chart is like making me be emotionally invested in this, you get. Like when this trade was like coming down so close to my stop loss, like 3 pips to my stop loss or 4 pips, it went back up, still came down, you get, stuff like that. I was like just emotional on the chart, and it's not supposed to be so. Although I know that I've risked the amount that I usually risk, but I don't feel like someone can be like emotionally detached like 100%, you get. So I feel like it's a learning process, and I'm on that process, you get. You can be less emotionally attached to this when you trust your plan and stuff like that, you get. For me, this is quite new to me, following my plans and stuff, but I think right now I will just like bushy everything and just stop loss and OTP, you get, because I actually went out of this trade when I'm not supposed to leave. This is it though. I at least made some little profits. Actually, I entered this trade late. I entered this trade around this point here, 1.8, yeah, this point, because when the candle broke, it was already coming down before I entered my MT5 to execute it, you get. So this is it for this trade. I'll come back tomorrow with a strong mental and to do my thing, follow my plan, and just allow probability play out, you get. This is a win. For me, it's a bad trade because I didn't follow my plan successfully. So either way, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Yo, so what's good guys? This is Tuesday and I'm back on the chart. Although I've taken today's trade, the morning section trade, and it was a loss. I mean, this trade was just going up, coming down, going up, and although we hit the stop loss on this trade, so either way, let's just see how it goes. This is it on my MT5. See, so we just down 1 hour now. So far I just taken 2 trades, one yesterday and one this morning. So let's just see how it goes. I still have the afternoon section to go again, and let's just see how it goes. I'll update you guys. guys, so this is another day and another opportunity in the market. This is Wednesday, by the way. Yesterday I took 2 trades and those trades were both losses. So right now I'm tweaking my plan. You get we cut out the afternoon section, and this is why I want to cut out the afternoon section. Usually I trade both sections. I trade in the morning and then I trade in the afternoon. But right now I'm cutting out the afternoon just to trade 7 to 10 a.m. Nigerian time. So these are my reasons. That's London Open, which means there is more volume, there are cleaner chart patterns, and which means the setup are more clearer. By the afternoon, the London is slowing down and the Asian section is already closed. So I'm sticking to the best hour. So let's see how this plays out. I'll update you guys. Yo, so what's good? I'm in a trade and it's deep in drawdown. You get I risked more on this trade because I just wanted to be taking 1 trade per day. You get I risked almost 4k on this trade. If you notice, this is like 30 lots and normally I do 16 lots. But that was when I was like taking 2 trades in a day. So right now I just want to put the whole risk on like 1 trade. You get currently the account is at 108k. You get I'm just 8% up, and I'm not close to my target. The competition is ending next week, so I just want to do things fast. You get I don't know how this trade might be, but it's looking like a stop loss trade. So the way I'm risking now, the amount I'm risking this 4k per trade, it's not like 4k though. It's like 3.7k or so. But if I lose 4 trades in a row, like 4 losing streaks, I will blow this account because the account itself is 8% maximum drawdown and I'm up 8k. So like 8k plus 8k, that's 16k. So like if I lose 4k in 4 places, I've blown the account. So that's just bad way because I'm not close to my profit target. I'm targeting 20% on this account, you get. So either way, let's just see how it goes. This is kind of looking like a stop loss trade. So if I hit stop loss on this trade, then I'm coming back tomorrow to still do my thing. You get this is the competition account, so I'm not panicking. You get so far I'm like down this week. I'm down because I took so far I took 4 trades. This is the 4th trade of this week. You get just the first trade that went our way, second trade we lost it, third trade we lost it, and this is the 4th trade. You get if we lose this, it means I've had 3 losing streak. You get either way, let's just see how it goes, guys. I will update you. Yo, so I just lost this trade. But guess what? I've breached the daily drawdown of that account. Actually I still miscalculated today because yesterday I saw that shit. The Blue Guardian is calculating the drawdown, like the daily drawdown, on 4% on of the starting balance, not my current balance. You get, and today when I still came back to this chart, I still calculated that 4% on my current balance instead of my starting balance, which is just 4k. You get, this was my initial calculation. You get, this is like the 4% of 108k. You get, so I was thinking that as long as I didn't lose up to this 4.3k, I'm still good. You get, that was why I was risking the 3.8. I told you guys about 3.7, but when I checked the chart, it was around 3.8, 3.9. So damn, this actually my bad. You get, this actually my bad. I should have remembered because yesterday I saw it. That was why I adjusted my stop loss yesterday on the last trade. If you watch the clip back again, you see I adjusted my stop loss just to avoid the daily drawdown because I came to my dashboard and then I saw that amount of loss is not supposed to be more than 4k yesterday. I don't know why today I came to the market and I actually forgot that shit. You get, this is a heartbeat message from Blue Guardian. Damn, let me show you on my dashboard. This is so fucking bad. This is so bad. You get, this is so bad. You see, this was yesterday's loss, 3.9, because I saw that shit and then I just adjusted everything to like close down my trade yesterday because I was actually risking 2k on the first trade, 2k on the second trade. You get, but when I saw that thing, I just had to close. You get, at a certain point I just adjusted my stop loss not to be more than 4k yesterday evening. But today I fucked up. I forgot But either ways, I know I adjusted all those shit. It was around 3.8k that loss, something like that. But either ways, let's just see how it goes. This is also a bad experience for me. Learned my lessons. I shouldn't have forgotten that yet because I saw it yesterday. But either ways, the journey still continues. I still have this account. Let's come here. This 5k account. I've been taking all the trades that I've been taking on this competition account, on this 5k account. I got this account I think the first of this month, right? I got this account then, and I've been taking the same trades, but I've been taking one trade per day, you get, because of consistency rule. And it's an instant funding starter account, you get, so it has a 15% consistency rule and stuff like that. So here my profit target here is to make 250, you get $250, 5% of the account. Up just 2%. I was up about 3% or so before these 3 losses back to back, you get. Damn, that loss is still getting to me. I shouldn't have lost that account, but either ways, the journey still continues. I will start documenting with this account, you get. Here, this is the loss for today. This is the loss for today. Yeah, 31, you get. I lost 31 here. Either ways, I'll learn my lesson and then move on, you get. I'll move on. So I think I will not take any trades again today. I'll come back tomorrow to continue documenting with this account. By the way, I'm down 2 on this account, you get. You know that this trailing drawdown is like the 5% will like mark on like the highest, is it the highest balance or the highest equity, I don't know, but like so far I lost 2 trades back to back, you get. See it here, 60 out of 250. So like it's not bad. If I win tomorrow trade, this will increase. If I lose, it will go down. So but either way, let's just see how it goes. This is the 5k on my MT5. So far I've been taking all the trades on that 100k account, on the competition account, but I've been taking just one setup a day, you get, just one setup a day, and this is it here. Either way, let's just see how it goes. The journey still continues. I will update you guys. Catch you. Yo, what's good? So this is Friday and I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. The trade I took today was a loss. I hit stop loss on that trade, and that's making it 4 losses for the week and 2 wins, you get. So for this week I took 6 trades, I lost 4 and then I won 2, you get. So I'm down -2R, you get. So let's see how it goes. I'll still come back next week to do my thing, follow my plan, and see if probability will be on our side, you get. For this week, I did learn one lesson though. I should always have the rules of the prop firm up here, you get. The basic rules, even your like daily drawdown, all those shit, you need to calculate it every day, you get. Just have all those details up here. So let's see how it goes. I'll come back next week and then do my thing. Catch you guys. Bye for now.